What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update, June 7th. ES trickling on the lows, low of 78 on the overnight, high of 24. Real quick, yesterday, I combined my ES daily with the regular and extended trading hours. I could separate, but I just like to look at the overall volume. So with that, with the regular and extended all in one Z, yesterday was an inside day. Okay, so that means this candle was inside the prior candle. 96, a cash open below that's going to be bearish. Cash open below 83 is going to be even more bearish, and that's where we are now. But we've got another 40 minutes till cash open. The 70, 73 level, so here's your 73, 71, 72, it's held twice. I don't know if that'll hold a third time. They'll test it. 63 is really the number I'm looking for, so I could see an overshoot of this, maybe a 63 hold. If that doesn't hold, then we'll look at 40, 41, 40, 40, that level. And then, we have, although I would my next level down from 40, 40, major level is 40.07 and then 97. And this is your 97 here. And then you got 90.60 down. So we'll see where this, if 40 breaks, then we'll look into that. But, that's another 60 points from here. So I would look at 40 as being a target if we break that 70 and 63 zone. Upside, I want to see above 27 to really get back up into anything bullish. Obviously, we'd need above 70. And preferably above that 86, 87 zone to get back into anything bullish. But right now, this doesn't look any bullishness at all. But again, things could change. I think Target came out retail slash with prices. So Target took a hit, Walmart took a hit, and retail starting to think twice, which is kind of a red herring. If retail spend is down, that means discretionary spend is down. And it will be no bueno. Anyway, so those are levels I want to see. We'll see if that 70 level, then 63, 40, 40, 41, 40, and then 40.07. Those are really but 40, 40 should, if we head down, that I would assume that should hold, or at least be defended. Let's go to Euro. Euro's coming down nicely, so as this comes down, so will our equities typically. I would say that this is about 80% accurate as of now. That fluctuates, so watch that. I think we missed that cash gap by a short and curly yesterday, but we still have the 73 to 57, 58. 57. So that's something that's obviously a target today. So SPX, so I gave you that 40-40 and that 63. That would be, cash gap would be also something. We could see that fill and then rebound. But although the cash and gaps have not been very true, we haven't really seen them. In fact, yesterday was like almost filled it. Yesterday was a shit show. We'll check out the hourly. Where the pivots 41.31. You have a POC on the 60-day volume is 41.20, so that's kind of that something to kind of look at. But again, anything below 40.96 on an opening is going to be bearish. We get back above that, and then we need to get above 27 or so to get back up into anything bullish. So that's about it. We're, again, 82 is the current. A cash open below 83 is going to be even more bearish. So we'll look at what's going to happen here on the cash open. Market structure, I talked about that yesterday. This choppy inside day was hell on everybody. Listen, everything works until it doesn't. So you have to be aware that just because we have this orb strategy, it's not 100%. And you have to look at other variables before you just jump right in. The other thing I'm seeing is people jumping into an orb and then it doesn't work, and so you flip to the other side. And yesterday is why you don't do that, because you got ripped. If it doesn't work, wait till 11:30 to see if whatever trend is going to stop or continue. We don't have to. You don't have to trade that first 15 minute every time. And yesterday people lost on two sides, and you don't have to do that. So if you have a loss, pull back. Don't just flip it and say I'm wrong, I'm going to do the other side, because then it reverses and you're opening yourself up for a double whammy, which I think a couple people took yesterday. And there's nothing more than that I hate to see is people losing money. So please ask questions. Don't if you don't know, don't trade. There is nothing wrong with just not trading. We always say not trading is a trade. So please, hold your currency close. This is a tough market for everybody. And I think that we're negotiating it very well. It's just you can't be reckless and just start throwing shit around and throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping it sticks. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on the orb. Please be careful. We need a trend day. We need follow through for that to work. Any stop and reversal, and it goes right back into your face, as we saw yesterday. It went up, down, and then everybody was anyway. So please be safe. Pick your spots. Understand the levels and what you're looking for. Don't just blindly go on the 15-minute breakout and everybody hops in. That's my 2 cents. You can trade any way you want, but just please be careful. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll be in the room.